I'm Steph, the founder and CEO of En Route, a new travel platform that is changing the way we travel. It's a social travel platform for travellers by travellers that allows you to share an entire journey.
I'm Amanda Fay. I'm the founder and CEO of the service investment platform, The Pitch Portal. The Pitch Portal is a digital marketplace that connects business owners with experts willing to come to the party and negotiate on their fees.
My name's Louise, I'm a medical doctor and I am also the founder of the medicalstartup.com, which began as a blog of interviews with people in and out of healthcare.
My family would always sort of play games about why something doesn't exist, what could it look like, and so I didn't realise at the time, but that was sort of bred in me. And I was also fortunate to travel a lot, and I always found that I couldn't share it in a way that people were actually able to understand all of the experiences that I was having without sharing like 20 photos in one post, which we all know people don't care that much.
Started from a professional services point of view and my own personal want to invest with my time and build a portfolio through my skills.
I'd always felt like there was something missing in medicine. I really enjoy being a doctor. I really enjoy clinical medicine. I really was curious about the world outside of the traditional medical world.
I think it's a really nice way to just quieten the noise of the industry and listen and support each other in a way that is a bit more deeper and meaningful. Cohort offers an amazing network of mentors and workshops, and my fellow startup founders are amazing. So I'm really excited about just learning and connecting with everybody.
I think it's an amazing program, these emerging female supported programs, because there are so many opportunities out there. Startup journeys can't be a solo one, and the more support, the more comradeship, the more advice and the more learning in this space is going to mean a more successful venture, and that's really why I applied.
It's quite a lonely world in the startup world or starting a new project in any sort of field, so can't wait to meet more people at Cohort as well. I think just opening this opportunity would open my world up to different ways of thinking, to different experiences, and we all learn from each other.
Don't be afraid to reach out. I think starting the first conversation is the hardest part, but it's the easiest place to start talking about it and see where you can go from there.
Just take the first step. Just start opening doors, have meetings, talk to people, start exploring what is out there, because there is a lot out there and people want women to succeed, and this is really testament to that.
Just start, follow your curiosity. Just give yourself a chance. You'd be really surprised how far you can go with it.